under this sky that was way too vast above. We poured out onto the village street in our small patent leather feet, with black-tied shirts and gowns white as a dove. How could we figure out how to gain the holy touch? But we never, ever, ever doubted so much didn't mean to. They all trembled and prayed about the coming judgment days, and all the while the spirit just fell away. We laid out a table feast, endless bounty, no want in the least. Among the gathered they spoke of sacrifice. Young eyes could see blood run deep, thought heavy for some so meek. Maybe all to celebrate what could not be realized. Seems to know just what is real and what are the ghosts, 'cause imagination, it flows just like waterfalls. Folded hands do confess truth to know that this child, he never really wanted to go to the echoes of a statue. Candlelit hall. How can we figure out how to gain the holy touch? Never ever meant to doubt it so much. They all trembled and prayed about the coming judgment days. All the while the spirit just fell away. All the while the spirit just fell away.
Thank you. What was that song about?